kahit sinong ulti ang kopyahan mo, pwede. So yan, third game na to at nakakadalawang talo na po ako pag ang hirap mag-regret pag okay, siya ang prioritize ko. Kailangan, kaya yan. Salamat sa tulong Valentino. Well, syempre, kasi dito nag-umpisa yung turtle. Pag dito mag-uumpisa yung turtle, syempre, ang unahin natin dito dapat yung yung blow back. Pero pag dito naman magsisimula yung turtle, kailangan ang uunahin natin yung rotate. Ganun lang mag-rotate. Rotation. Gagi yan, lag ko talaga. Yung issue ng yung ML issue ng sabi ng lahat na kahit maayos yung tingin na lag ko pa rin. Gagi, ang hirap na yun. Wasak na wasak talaga ang itlog ng plastic mo nito. Ngayon na natin ito pa faster. So, 1:22 seconds, 1 minutes and 22 seconds. Meron na tayong level 4 na agad tayo. Ang bilis na. Tapos dito ay gagang ko lang yung gold para ganun na yung milisa. Gagang ko lang naman to. Tapos pipitas na rin kung po pwede. Kaya ba milisa? Joke lang gago. Buwang ang puta. Hindi walang retreat. Sila ang retreat gago. Masak ang bitlog mo, pre. Masak ang bitlog mo. Hindi gago. Nagka-turtle na. Atang na, sorry yung gagi. Nagubang kasi ako sa bottom. Gagi, di ko nakita. Malaking kahiyan para sa akin, di lang isang ko. Sorry. Ba't ko kaya to, no? Ito ata nagpapalag sa akin. Nagpapalag ata sa akin yun. Isa pa yun. Isa rin yun. Nakamang trust issue ko sa dito lang ako. Inuulit-ulit ko lang itong rotation ito. Tapos kukuha na rin tayo ng repolyo para masarap ang ulam natin. Sige. Masak ang itlog mo par. Boss lang, gago, takbo. Takbo man. Gago, lakas. Sakit naman yun. Pangin mo ka. Ako ginagago mo. Sige, magaguhan tayo dito. Putang ina mo ka. Magaguhan tayo dito. Huwag muna masyado. Mga greedy kayo eh. Saring kayo. Saring gago. Sobrang greedy nun. Okay, dito na papasok yung 8, 2, play now. Nag-legal pa kami. Palit mo na ako patay na to. Papatayin ko dyan Valentino. All day and all night we stay up, it feels so right. We were so dumb, we would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying no way till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug. We look up in my car, driving so far, play your guitar, you show me your part, let down our guards, think with our hearts.
Prioritize mo yung damage na wala natin.
I remember everything. And how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, felt right. We would run alive, we would go out. We were so loud, we were so proud. We had no doubt. Weekdays, we spend one way. Time is precious. We like to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night. Asleep by your side, finally alive. We would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold. Never get old, still what we're told. We can't be controlled. I remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Are you a singer, singer? If love's a fight, then I shall die with my heart.